Ever wondered how Twitch streamers level up from casual gaming to earning rewards, exclusive features, and even making money? In just a few minutes, you'll discover the game-changing benefits that Twitch affiliates enjoy over other streamers. Stay tuned to unlock the secrets of turning your passion into reality. Before we jump into it, let's go ahead and talk about making smart choices. And speaking of smart choices, we've partnered with Mint Mobile to share how they're revolutionizing the wireless world, offering premium service without that premium price tag. For example, have you wondered why in the world is my wireless bill so high? Well, Mint Mobile is here to show us that there's a better way. For as low as $15 a month, you can get access to the nation's largest 5G network, unlimited talk and text, and all the perks of premium wireless without that unnecessary cost. The switch to Mint Mobile is incredibly easy too. With digital eSIM technology, many of you can actually make the switch directly from your couch in as little as 15 minutes. And for those of you needing a physical SIM card, well, Mint Mobile can send you one for free too. So don't stick with the old way of doing things that's overpriced and complicated for no reason. Visit trymintmobile.com/howtotech to get premium wireless for $15 a month. My wife and I made the switch over a year ago and we absolutely love it. And I mean, who doesn't like saving money? All right, let's get back to the video, but make sure you check out Mint Mobile. Linked in the description down below. All right, so before we go ahead and really get into it and get started and talk about all the perks that you get from being a Twitch affiliate, I wanted to go ahead and talk about how it's different from just being a regular streamer on Twitch. And I also want to mention there's another thing called partner, and it's slightly different from that as well. And if you're curious on the differences in that, I do have an older video that kind of explains some of the differences. Some of them are a little bit different now than they used to be, but there is a difference between being just a normal streamer on Twitch, being a Twitch affiliate, and being a Twitch partner. But today we're going to be talking about some of the benefits and perks you get from being a Twitch affiliate. So let's get started first with the first section that I've got queued up here, and we're going to be talking about monetization tools. These are tools that are going to help you make money as a streamer, and some of these are just also still kind of cool for your viewers as well. The first is subscriptions. The ability to have subscriptions just means somebody can subscribe with a Twitch Prime sub or use one of the different subscription tiers that you have set up, and this means you have a way to make money. There's also other ways of making money, and those are cheering with bits. Cheering with bits is pretty cool because people can go ahead and send you money directly through Twitch. You don't have to worry about things like chargeback with other platforms like PayPal. That's kind of common of where people will send you money and then decide, yeah, just kidding. So this kind of keeps you from having to deal with that. And another thing that used to be an option was Hype Chat, and that used to be a feature, but it was actually removed not too long ago, and it was replaced with the ability to pin cheers with bits. So if somebody did a cheer, they can also pin that with bits. So that's something else that's kind of changed as well. And also ad revenue. As most of you know, you can run ads on a page, but you have to be either an affiliate or a stream partner through Twitch, and you have the ability to do that now. So there's just a few ways that you can make money and some of the differences that you get from being a Twitch affiliate. Now let's talk about some of the community tools, because I think this is where we get really cool, like the things and the features that we get really cool. And the first is access to instant emote uploads. So now you're going to be able to upload emotes for your subscribers to be able to use and utilize, which is really cool. We can also set up things like channel points to incentivize viewers for watching your stream, interacting with your stream, and doing stuff with your stream. And they also have the ability to pay out like little perks for them to use as well. And then we have the eligibility to create stories on Twitch. We've seen stories. These are kind of, a common thing that we've seen on a bunch of platforms like Facebook, Instagram, I believe, and other platforms that are out there as well. And anyone on the Twitch mobile app can view those stories. And you can also, as the affiliate, be able to unlock the ability to do subscriber-only stories once you have reached 30 subscribers. So you get a little bit of exclusivity there with it too once you've reached 30 subs on your Twitch channel, and then just another way to interact and, engage with your community. Speaking of that interactivity and the ability to engage with the community, we also get things like polls and then, your channel points like we talked about earlier. And the polls are just really neat because they're a way that you can gauge your community's response. And then, like I said, we can use channel points and then have emotes and stuff like that for people. So it's just really nice to be able to get those community tools and start utilizing them to build your stream, and as well as have some things that incentivize people to also check out some of the other things that you can do through the monetization tools, such as those bits and subscriptions.
The next thing we're going to talk about is video tools. There's actually quite a few different tools that you get access to whenever you become an affiliate on Twitch. The first, and I think is the most important, but it's not always available, and that is transcoding. For some of you that might not understand or know what that means, transcoding is essentially the option if you were to stream at 1080p. As an affiliate, you now have the ability to change it, your viewers do, from 1080p down to 720p, 480p, 360p, whatever other resolution is lower than what you're currently streaming at. And that's great, but it is only as a per available access. That means if Twitch's servers have enough access and availability for you to be able to use transcoding, your viewers can then use it. But it's not always a guarantee. That's going to be a guarantee for partners. So it is something you can kind of dabble with, and your viewers might actually appreciate if they've got a little bit of a bad internet connection, but it's still something that is a neat feature for your viewers. The next that is really neat as well for you to be able to create clips and also for your viewers to be able to go back and watch your VODs is an increased VOD storage. It goes from 7 days to 14 days, which is not that big of a difference, but let's say, you forgot to clip something or you want to go back and pull that VOD. You've got 2 weeks to do it now instead of 1. So there's a positive and a benefit from that. And another one that kind of goes hand in hand are reruns. So you're now able to rebroadcast your past content to your audience. So say, for example, you had a stream scheduled for Thursday, but something came up and you can't stream Thursday. You could rebroadcast last Thursday's stream or last Tuesday's stream. You can find something else to rebroadcast and entertain your viewers even while you're not live. And this is just, once again, another good way of keeping your community active, even if you're not able to stream that day for whatever reason. And then the last one we're going to talk about in the video tool section is subscriber streams. This is something I'm not sure what the benefit could be. I don't know of a lot of streamers that are affiliates or Twitch partners that actually utilize subscriber streams, but this is a neat way of being able to give back to your subscribers if you wanted to utilize this feature. And to go hand in hand with that is subscriber-only VODs. So you can do the same thing for them as well. You can do subscriber-only live streams, and you can do subscriber-only VODs as well. And that wraps up everything you need to know about exclusive perks of becoming a Twitch affiliate. Whether you're eyeing those custom emotes or dreaming of earning money through bits and subscriptions, the path to Twitch affiliate is your next big leap into the streaming world. And while you're at it, guys, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this guide helpful, and subscribe for more insight and share your journey towards Twitch affiliate in the comment section down below. Until next time, keep streaming, keep dreaming, and I'll see you next time.